So you want to exfoliate, then you want to repair and hydrate, or vice versa. You want to hydrate and repair and then exfoliate. You don't want to exfoliate and then exfoliate. Hello, baby. Hi everyone, hopefully you're all having a brilliant day. You are watching Skin Masterclass and I'm Cigdem Yilmaz, your personal skincare coach, teaching you effective ways of achieving your healthy skin through education and well-being. So if that sounds interesting to you, please do not forget to subscribe and welcome to your healthy skin journey. For you who have already seen my videos, you will know that I do skin consultations for a living because I'm a cosmetic formulator, also a skincare consultant, and I see lots of people online and also face-to-face for skin consultation sessions. So throughout my consultation sessions, what I do is I identify your skin type and then I identify your skin needs and find you an effective routine day and night focusing on achieving all your skin needs. And I wanted to create these mini-series called key learnings from my sessions. So every time I see a client that I find interesting for me to share, I want to be honest with you and teach you some of the learnings that my client has learned throughout the session. Right, let's get into it now. Right, so what I'm going to be talking to you about is one subject that I keep on talking about, and I've also made a video out of it called ingredients overdosing. So if you haven't already watched that video, make sure you go back and watch that video as well. The one thing that I was talking to you about in that video, which was the key learnings from that video, is to find ingredients that work well together and do not overdose on active ingredients. Do not overdose on using the same active ingredients, because that's like the main, I'll say like that's the main focus of that video. So the client that I've seen today, she was based in New York, and we had a really nice chat, and she's such a lovely, beautiful girl. I was talking to her about her current skincare routine. So that's what I always do as well. I'll ask you to tell me about your current skincare routine so I can identify the mistakes that you are doing in your specific routine and kind of tailor make my way through how I can improve it, either by changing your routine completely or just essentially telling you things that you should drop or donate to husband. That's what I call it as well. Like anything that doesn't suit you, you can donate to your husband, that's fine. They'll be happy with anything. By the way, she had normal to combination acne prone skin. So I'll tell you about that as well. So she was using a Cetaphil gel based cleanser. Then what she was doing using as her toner, she was using the Pixi Glow Tonic. And then on top of that, she was using the Pixi Overnight Glow Serum. So pause the video now. This can be a mini test to yourself and comment below, what do you think was the wrong thing about this specific skincare routine up to now? Considering if you have watched my videos before. Pause it now and write down below. Come on. Right, if you did guess, or if you didn't guess, I'll tell you now. Number one was the selection of acid in the first place. So glycolic acid is very good for dry, mature skin, but I wouldn't recommend it for acne prone skin, and I also wouldn't recommend it for combination skin type. So for acne prone who has hyperpigmentation, the best acid for my choice is actually salicylic acid, so a BHA. But from the AHA family, the best one that I would suggest using is the mandelic acid. It's good for sensitive skin, it's good for hyperpigmentation, and it's also good for acne prone skin. So rather than the glycolic acid, actually, I would have much more preferred her to use mandelic acid or salicylic acid. So that's number one. She had a wrong choice of acids. Number two, which I think is the biggest problem that we hopefully resolved during her skin consultation, was that she was using a glycolic acid toner, which is at 5%, I believe, in their toner, and also a glycolic acid serum together at the same night. And that glow serum is at 10% glycolic acid. So my friend, she was overdosing on her glycolic acid. What I told her, let's say that you would want to keep glycolic acid as your treatment, one thing you shouldn't do is use glycolic acid toner and then go and use glycolic acid serum. So it's too much. There's actually no need. You either use one or, and it will be irritating on the skin. Aha! Something that I forgot to mention. She was like, when I was using Pixie Glow Tonic and Pixie Glow Serum together, I was getting a burning sensation, and then she said that I changed the Pixie Glow Tonic to Mario Badescu Glycolic Toner, and that also didn't work for me. Well, it didn't work because you're still keeping the glycolic acid in the toner. So she said she actually got burning sensations and some redness after she was using the glycolic toner and the glycolic serum together. Glycolic acid was the wrong treatment solution anyway, but let's say that it was the correct solution. What I would recommend you do is that you either focus on glycolic acid toner, so you would use then more of a repairing serum, more of a hydrating serum afterwards your glycolic acid toner. Vice versa, if you want to keep your glycolic acid serum, you want to use a hydrating toner or a skin repair toner. So you want to exfoliate, then you want to repair and hydrate, or vice versa, you want to hydrate and repair and then exfoliate. You don't want to exfoliate and then exfoliate. Hopefully you enjoyed this Learn from Cigdem series. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you enjoyed it so I can carry on doing it for you. Please do not forget to subscribe. Also follow me on Skin Masterclass on my Instagram for daily skincare tips. And me and my cat, says bye to you and have a brilliant day. Love you all. Bye.